Take 1. I will now try to add this page to my home screen. Yep, that's me. I bet you're wondering how I got here. Or maybe you have issues with your Android and you wish to fix it. Okay, so what's the issue? Let's demonstrate. This is a screen capture of my research that I'm trying to add to home screen. And when I try to add to home screen, you can see that nothing happens. But you can tell it's a glitch because if you touch any area of the screen, this pop-up appears and quickly disappears. So what is this pop-up? And here it is. It's the add to home screen page we need. I had the same issue on Google Docs when I tried to add to home screen. And again, nothing happens. Just the same pop-up glitch as you can see. I'm not sure if this issue is specific to this phone or maybe it's the Android versions. Please comment below which phones or Android version you're having trouble with. Okay, so how do we fix this? I'm going to be showing you 2 ways. The first way is to go to Google Play and then go on My Apps and Games. And now you'll need to update these 2 apps. Once you update it, let's go to Chrome and then go on Add to Home Screen. And if you did it right, now you should get this screen. If you click Add automatically, it will save the web page to the home screen. And it should work exactly the same way on Google Docs too, just by adding home screen, like so. And if for some reason that didn't work, you can try the second method. Start by going to your home screen and then tapping and holding onto an empty area. After selecting widgets, you will get this screen. From here, you have to choose any widget and then drag and drop onto your home screen. This should get the Add to Home Screen function working again. And if we load up Chrome, open up the menu and then go on Add to Home Screen and then press Add, we can see that it's perfectly working again. Okay, so if you've done this right, you should now have Pokimane saved on your home screen. And if this helped anyone, please give it a big thumbs up. Or if you had any issues, please comment below and I'll try to help.